Many days fell away with nothing to show, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Gray clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about that?
Atau masih ada satu list?
Be an optimist about that. We were caught.
Silakan ke kiri, ya, silakan ke kiri.
Our vices in your pose as the dress settled around, and the wall kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds but if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? Close your eyes.
Ayo jalan, ayo terus. Ya, ini adalah
Before, how am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this?
yang pertama.
Where do we begin? The road or our sin?